Good morning, my dear students. Welcome back to Science Classroom. Class 5, Term 3, Subject Science, Topic Air. Previous class, we have learnt about importance of air. In today's class, we are going to learn about air pollution. What is air pollution? The presence of harmful substances in the air which can have an adverse effect on living beings and the environment is called air pollution. When harmful substances including gases like carbon dioxide, carbon monoxide, sulfur dioxide, etc. and particles like dust and aerosols are released into the Earth atmosphere, air pollution occurs. These substances are released into the atmosphere at the rate which exceeds the natural capacity of the environment to absorb them. Air pollution may cause diseases, allergies, and even death to humans. It may cause harm to other living organisms such as plants and animals. It may damage the natural environment also. Causes of air pollution. Air pollution is caused by both natural and man-made activities. Air pollutants are released into the atmosphere through human activities like burning of fuels, releasing industrial waste, mining, etc. Natural events like volcano eruption also cause air pollution. Let us see about some of the causes of air pollution in detail. Industries. Many industries have been established to manufacture things. Large amount of carbon monoxide, hydrocarbons, organic compounds and chemicals are released into the air by these industries. Because of these pollutants, the quality of air is affected very much. What is combustion? The process of burning something is called combustion. Combustion of fossil fuels like coal, petroleum release sulfur dioxide, which is an air pollutant. Major air pollutants are released by the industries, bus, cars, trains and airplanes. Do you know, children, where does carbon monoxide come from? Improper or incomplete combustion of fuel release carbon monoxide. Incomplete combustion reaction means when a hydrocarbon reacts with insufficient amount of oxygen, forming carbon monoxide and water. Nitrogen oxides, which are released by both natural and man-made processes, also cause air pollution. We know that, children, carbon monoxide is a poisoning gas. Air pollution causes natural volcano and forest fire. man-made, factories, vehicles, burning of wood and cow dung. Agriculture activities. Use of insecticides, pesticides and fertilizers in agricultural activities has increased in the modern days. They emit harmful chemicals such as ammonia into the air, causing air pollution. Ammonia is a very common byproduct from agriculture related activities and is one of the most hazardous gases in the atmosphere. Use of insecticides, pesticides and fertilizers in agricultural activities has grown quite a lot. They emit harmful chemicals into the air and can also cause water pollution. Mining. Extraction of minerals from the earth is called mining. Mining process release dust and chemicals into the air, causing massive air pollution. This affects of health and conditions of workers and people living in the surrounding areas. So mining is a process wherein minerals below the earth are extracted using large equipments. During the process, dust and chemicals are released in the air, causing massive air pollution. Health hazard of coal mining. Diseases caused by humidity and high temperature. Hearing impairment due to noise and vibration. Injuries due to accident. Respiratory diseases due to dust. Household activities. Air is polluted through household activities also, while cleaning and painting. We use a lot of chemicals. These chemicals pollute the environment. Taj Mahal in Agra is built entirely by white marbles, but it has become yellow in color in the recent years. It is because of air pollution. Industries located in these areas release lot of pollutants into the air. Every day, 2000 metric tons of waste is being dumped into the city. Thank you everyone for listening. I hope you enjoyed the presentation. Thank you, children.